Hi, I'm Jeanette, and today I feel inspired to do a DIY. Okay guys, welcome back to Jeanette's Inspirational Design. Now I have a show on how that I fix this light here and how I put it together. I changed it out from electrical box light to a plug-in light. So I want to kind of go over this with you so you can see more what I did. Okay, see, this is the cap that it comes with. So I had screwed it in with sheetrock screws underneath the shelf. And right here, the wire runs behind the fireplace mantle, which I'm going to bring it on down and kind of show you guys what I did. And here is the plug-in that I used, okay, that I was telling you about. Has an on and off button, and this is how it is done. I'm going to turn it on. See there? We're going to go back up. Don't want to blind you. Give me a minute. Let me close this back up. Oops, sorry. Okay, and we'll stand back and kind of let you get a glimpse of it on the side because I don't want to blind your eyes, but there it is. So that is what I was talking about, how you can get something, another switch, to turn it on and off. Now, or we could buy another cord to add to that wire and hooked it all together, and with a switch that had a turn on and off switch. Now that's what we could have done as well. Bought more wire for the wire that's there. Oops, sorry for the glare. And we could have put it onto that wire and connected it the same way and put the plug-in wire on that and had a switch to turn it on and off. So you have your options, okay? Maybe sometime I'll show you that way too. Thank you for joining my show. I will talk to you later. Bye.